Welcome back to another video. I'm super excited today because today I got EXO, the Mama, the Monster, and the Wolf live performance. Now, if y'all watched my latest video, go do that and subscribe while you at it. You will know that I was not messing with it that much. The Lord didn't understand it, you feel me? But I did know that it was a powerful song. But y'all said the live performances will sway me in a different direction, so we're here today. Subscribe and let's have fun. Okay. Hey. Hey. Okay, let me chill. EXO! That's a power stance. No. Look. I went to college. I went to San Diego State. If y'all know San Diego State, stand up. If y'all went there, look it. You feel me? We're alumni together. I went there and I got a degree in social work. You know, I do want to go out there and help, the community. I want to help, people, with the things that we go through on a daily basis. And one thing I realized is that in class, in my social work class, and even in I didn't go to therapy, but I worked alongside therapists. You feel me? There was they taught how to do power poses and power stances that when you do it, you feel like a sense of relief from whatever you're dealing with or stressing with, right? One of the power stances is like you feel me, you gotta, you feel me, or you feel me, you feel, not that one, but you get me, there's certain power stances of that make you feel powerful and it relieves so much stress, and they stood in the beginning like this. Feel me? That's a power stance right there. They're letting you know they're for reals. Yeah. Look at they face, so serious too. Hey. Yeah. Okay. Let them get information. Power stance. This ain't the same song. You're not gonna make me believe that the MV in the original song with the video, this is the same song. Whatever they doing here right now, I feel a way more bigger impact on me than the MV. You feel me? I feel exactly what they say. I'm about to go outside right now and start marching for them. It's Black History Month, by the way. Happy Black History Month. But they gonna make me go out there and not worry about Black History Month. I'm gonna be worrying about whatever they protesting, you feel me? Waving my sign they serious. About me. Who care about me? I want y'all to sit right now. I love y'all. I appreciate everybody watching right now. And think. Literally in your circle, your friends, your family, the people that you've been pouring love and energy into. The people that you text back really fast and reply. The people that you extend your hand further than the hand that you even got on your hand. Think about to yourself, who really care about me? Is these people also pouring into you? Is these people also, now they may not stretch their hand as far as you, but are they there supporting you and loving you, as well? You feel me? When you're around them, do you, receive energy? Good energy, who care about you? I care about you if no one does. I really do. Even if a lot of people care about you. Here on KJ Reacts, we love you. We like you. We appreciate you. Keep coming. Subscribe. Hydraulics. Hey. Come on, yo! Hey. They can dance. I don't know. They can dance. I'm gonna keep it 100 with y'all. They can dance. What I love about their dance moves is like the formations, the visuals that they show us with their dance moves. It's one thing if they just all kind of, you feel me? But the way that they come as a group and give us, obviously we know Wolf, they kind of, the tree of life that they created, they paint these pictures for us to see visually, choreography. You feel me? And that's so dope. You feel me? There's only a few artists that can really do that and bring it to life, you know. And so that's EXO. They have, when y'all told me from the very beginning that they have some of the, if not the best singers, I believe y'all. I'm not gonna lie. I was like, okay, I know they ain't all saying this and lying. That would be crazy. You feel me? But I didn't know what y'all really meant. I was just like, oh, this is another group of idols that, you know, they can sing. They all can sing. They're idols. You know, that's why they out there big and popular. But it's just, they're so unique in the type of vocals that they have. I don't think you will ever find somebody like Doe. I don't think you will ever find somebody genius like Bae. Then you got Chin, that man. His high notes is just butter. You feel me? Smooth. And then you got the rest of the members that really just balance out the whole group, so it doesn't seem like it's just those three that's shining. They all shine in their ways, man. You can call me monster. Hey. Hey, come on, Bae. Bring it. He's in the cage. It's like he's in the cage, like a monster in a cage. That dance break was needed. Now, I am not too big of a fan of dance breaks, because they dance it throughout the whole performance. So I quite don't need them to stop what they doing to dance all the time. Sometimes it's good. It makes sense. And I don't mind it. But that what right there was purposeful, intentional, and it was needed. Because I've seen Bae dance. Candy was, come on. You feel me? But is this Bae? It's Bae, right? I think it's Bae. But with him right now, I'm seeing a different kind of side of his dance moves and what he can do. There was so much power in every move. You know, that's one thing about EXO, is that the power they bring in everything they do. Again, it's like a movement when they make music. They don't just do it because, Oh, I love it. They love it, but they have such an intention and power that backs behind it. You feel me? Straight into vocals. I'm sorry, you make me so crazy. You know you're Come on. Okay, say.
You can call me monster. I'm preparing your heart. 뒤집고는 엎드리고 삼켜. 그래 너는 척한 니게.
This is crazy. This is crazy. This is by far. I'm so happy y'all recommended this. This is by far like one of the. This is another one of the best performances I've ever watched, just from start to finish. You feel me? They built the whole performance up slowly, and that we're only halfway through, so I know they ain't even hit the climax. So I'm like on the edge of my seat, just wondering what more will they do. I love seeing the members, cause Sehun, y'all know what I said about him. I'm not gonna go back and backtrack, but y'all know Sehun with him right now. I saw him almost break out of that shell that I thought he was in. He's a very nonchalant kind of dude. I said he was a little bit monotoned in a sense, but right now I saw a different side of him. It felt like he had that same, like he was feeding off the energy of his members and just went kind of berserk with it. And then I love the where they both switched. You have both rappers, Chanyeol and Sehun, kind of switch. Now I'm gonna rap and show energy. Switch. And that energy just mixed together and feeding off each other is just, man. How can you not be a monster? This smile was crazy. The smile, that's a smile of, yeah, we just did that. Though, his notes, his runs are crazy. And Bay, come on, it's Bay. Formations, y'all. Hey.
향기를 맡고 색깔 의미하고 와인보다 우아하게 잡아 먹을 테다 아무래도 발톱에 힘이 빠지지만 까지 없어져 혹시 내가 아픈 건가 병이라도 걸린 거니 헤이 정신 차려 어쩌다 이상하게 맘을 뺏겨버렸나 난 내 거리 뿐이라고 헤이 좌우를 그다음 막막 그대로 정신이게
I'm a wolf. This is so much different. Like, I know it probably not, but like that's why y'all recommend watching the live performances too, because the arrangement is different. Obviously, the arrangement is for a concert so that you can be hyped and enjoy it. But obviously, you know, the studio producing of the song is meant for the radio. And I understand that, but now I already understand that watching this performance. The formation and the way at one of the beat, he said a word and the beat hit and they moved it. And then the visuals with the trees in the background and then blending into it. You feel me? And then one coming out talking about being a wolf, talking about like this desire for a woman. You know, but trying to also fight that desire as a wolf. We know it's innate. Wolves is innate. You know, they don't have the freedom of will that us humans have to sit and process and think about it. So they're saying they could have said so many other ways of this, but they went to a wolf that it's just, man, that desire is just there. And they trying to just go crazy with it. Get a little light. That's my God.
그녀를 좀 봐. 공포에 빠져 눈앞의 situation 이해 못해 저더러운 듯한 놈이 결국 날 잡아먹겠지 이게 아닌 게 사랑에 빠진 겁니다.
See. Maybe the translations in the last video I just was off, or maybe y'all right. Maybe I wasn't so focused and in tune. I was just, dancing or whatever I was doing in the video. But like he said, she's afraid, she's worried that she is gonna get bitten type stuff. Not literally, figuratively. And he said, no, that's not it. She's afraid, she's worried because now she has fallen for the wolf. Dad, come on. I don't need that. Little dance move, show the wolf. Wolf and Beauty, like Beauty and the Beast, Beauty and the Wolf. Tree of life. Oh my gosh, that is so beautiful. They are like the roots of the tree. What keeps it grounded, the foundation. Y'all don't like this group by now? I don't know who y'all. Hey! That's so beautiful. What? I don't even have the words of what I just watched. The dance. I talked about dance break. If they keep doing dance breaks like this, if other groups take notes and see, okay, how can we fit these dance breaks in without, kind of throwing it off or making it feel too dancey or just not needed? They start taking notes on what EXO just did right now. They'll be one of the best groups too. They'll be up there and every concert sold out. Because not only that, but the tone. I don't know what kind of tone it is. To me, it kind of sounds a little bit of like a Chinese influence. You feel me? With the do 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 do. And maybe I can be wrong, but that right there and the way he danced, like, not only was it still powerful and still had that wolf inside of him, but it seemed like that wolf has became a little bit less like aggressive. You feel me? And started to just flow a little bit. And then you had the things pop up. Boom. Boom. And then everybody's dancing. Those visuals are just nasty. It's like the wolf inside of it. And all of them are part of the tree.
I give you what you need, I give you what you want. Just follow me, trust me, keep it going.
I know what that is. Do I need to become a wolf? Hey. I'm gonna rewatch this like a million times. I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. I don't know who the other person is. There's a lot of members. Let me know who that is. I like the way he came out and just came, with, again, deeper tone. And then you got Doe who came in with his runs. But it's like this is the craziest thing. I don't know if I've seen much of this in the industry. As he was singing and doing runs, it almost was like his body was singing and doing the same runs with his body. I don't know if I saw that before. That was different. That was crazy. Never thought that they would take the song like Wolf and turn it into what they just turned it into now. I'm a big fan of Mama and Wolf. Let me say that again, because y'all know what I said in the last video. That's why I like to be honest and be real. Because when I continue to listen to more and more, it changes often.